Hello, namaste. Most welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, we are in the series of this HTML, and today it is practical 4. And last time we did HR tag and marquee tag. HR is an empty tag, whereas marquee is a container tag. Today we are going to use two more tags. They are image tag and video tag. In today's video that we'll be learning how to insert an image and a video in our website to make it more meaningful, because more multimedia contents, more meaningful the web page becomes. Okay, so let me open my editor. The format is there, and let me open my browser also, because this is the place where we do coding and this is the place where we see output. For this, before we go for any coding, this has been saved on HTML files. You can see tutorial 1, or this HTML file has been saved on the desktop HTML files folder on tutorial file. Okay, tutorial 1. And all the pictures that we are likely to keep in our website has to be on the same location so that it will be easy for us to upload it. For example, I have a picture on this part. Let me have Control C to copy this picture. Let me go in this folder and Control B, and let me change it. Okay, and to see its type extension, though it is displaying over here JPG file, we can right click and we can go down, properties. Okay, the file name is YAML and the type of file is .jpg. That we have to keep in mind. Okay, it's fine. Let's go for the coding. Let me minimize this and it's fine. Okay, to insert an image, we have one img tag. Let's open img tag, img space, yes, rc. What is the source? Source is yum.jpg. Yum means the file name. It can be anything. Okay, JPG means the extension. Sometimes the pictures might have different extension like PNG, GIF, or BMP, okay, or any other else. Whatever the picture format is, we need to give the same. Okay, then we can simply close the bracket since it is an empty tag, so we don't need to give closing. Let's save it. Let me do refresh, and you can see the picture is, let me make it full screen also. While making full screen also, this picture has been inserted in our web page, but in a very big in size, in its default size. So if you want to define that picture's height and width, we can use the attribute height and width. For example, let's define first of all width equals to, for example, 400, and height equals to 300. And not only this, let's define border also, picture border. Okay, let's do this much for now so that we can see the difference. Okay, battery low. Let me pause it and let me charge, and I'll continue. Okay, here I come. So let me do save and refresh. Okay, let me check the things. img src equals to yum.jpg with equals to it. Everything is looking fine. Why it's not happening? Let me save once again. Let me Control S and let me reload. Okay, fine. Now you can see our picture has been inserted in 300. So 300 is the height, 300 pixel is the height, and width is 400. This is how we can insert pictures. And we can give more attributes of border, for example. Okay, border equals to, for example, 5px or 5 only giving, that's fine. Let's see what comes. You can see the border, black border of 5 pixel. Not only this, you can see there's no space in between top thing and this picture. There's no space, it is attached. Okay, if you have to give some space, then v space you can give. V space equals to, for example, let me give 20. Then save, Control S, then here go and refresh, and you can see the 20 pixel has been left out. Okay, no need to give BR over here. If you give BR also, that's fine. But if you give space, that is more better. Okay, this is how you can insert any picture in your web page. Okay, this is one that we have done. Let me have the break line here, then we will be using the another one. Now this is the picture that we have inserted. Let's go for the video, and for video let me show my folder where it is the HTML files. For example, here I have a video. For example, if you need to have a video, if you need to insert any video on your web page, you need to copy and paste it on the same file, HTML file, so that the things comes easy and good for you. For example, in download, let me check in the download. I have plenty of videos over there. If not plenty, few I have. Let's go down more quicker. It is, please, videos. I need you. Please come on this. Okay, here we go. These are the different videos. For example, this one. Let me copy and let me paste it on the HTML file. So where it is this. This is also not. This is also not. This is also not. Let me minimize this and let me have this. Okay, Control B and paste. Okay, it has been pasted, and let me rename it because we need to give the name. That's why let's rename it. For example, videos at BD. I gave it, and you can click over here so that you can see its type. Item type, it is saying MP4. Okay, so if it is so, for video, let's go for the coding. For video, we have to use video tag, BID, video space. Let's define the height and width of video. Okay, so for example, here height equals to 300. Let's give 300. Then width equals to, for example, 400 we have. And next thing, let's write controls. Okay, we don't need to give anything in controls. Okay, so how we write? Video space height, any pixel we can give, 300, 200, 500, 600. Width also we can give any. Okay, 400, 500, 600, like that. Then after this, we need to give controls space control, and one more code you have to write down, that is source equal to src. Okay, look how easily it is coming, src. So what is the source? Video source, let's go. The video is bd and type is mp4. Like picture, we need to give the source bd.mp4 and type. What type of video is it? It is video. It is mp4. Okay, this is how we give video space height, and that is your desired one. Width also you can give, then controls, close bracket, and now you need to give the source in different tag, and source equal space src equals to bd. Why bd? Because our video's name is bd. If it is cd, it gives cd. Okay, if it is mp4, mp3, mp3, but mp3 is not a video, it is a song, it is an audio file. Clear? Sometimes it can be avi, it can be any other. Okay, then it is fine. Now we can give some video, we can close something. Video is, since it is a container tag, we need to close this video. Let me save and let me refresh. Okay, you can check the video is coming exactly on the same size. Let's play. Okay, you can see the video has been up. Let me pause. So this is the picture that we have uploaded, and this is a video. So this is how we can insert picture and video in our web page. The code are very pretty simple. So img, it is an empty tag, src, the picture name, width, height. If you want to define border, then you can define b space. If you want to define, that is fine. Okay, and then after break line to go for the next line. And after video, to insert a video, we need to use video tag space height equals to 300. Then any height we can give. For example, if we give 400, that will be longer one. Yeah, our height will be longer. Save, and you can, let's check this difference. Okay, it has to be a bit longer. You can see it is being a bit longer. Okay, 400, it is being in a square, but generally a video height used to be lower than the width. We can give, if we are giving height 400, let's give width as 500. Let's save it. Unless it has to be more wider than this, let's check. It is being now. Okay, so that is how we do. I hope you learned how to insert an image as well as a video in our HTML document, so that our HTML looks more meaningful and more better, because more multimedia makes the things better. Let me play once. Okay, you can see any kind of video that we can insert it. Okay, so this much for today. Hopefully we'll be meeting again in another video. Hopefully there I may bring the table tag and as well as form and other things. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Bye bye, all of you. See you next time.